Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lizzie and you're welcome to Finance with Lizzie. If you are new here, you're also welcome to the channel. Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And let's get straight in to today's topic, which is also on receipts. Now today's receipt we're going to look at is Asda. So I have an example of an Asda receipt here. Now if you go to the top of the Asda receipt, it says that there is a chance that you can tell them how your experience went, and there's actually a chance to win £1,000. And this is similar to the Tesco one, is as in you just type in the link of the website into your browser or onto your phone, and you fill out the survey, which is probably around 15 questions roughly, and then give your details as well, and then you're entered into a chance to win £1,000. It says £1,000 there as well. So that's pretty much how it works. But let's have a quick look at the home page just to see what does this look like in terms of the website and in terms of maybe what information you may need to start the survey. Just to bear in mind also that in order to fill out the survey, you do need to have a receipt for each survey you fill out, because it will ask for certain information on your receipt as part of the survey. So let's take a look. www.tellasda.com, as it says on the receipt, and this bit just came up when I typed it in. So now all I need to do is click enter, and then once I click enter, it takes me to this page, and then you need your receipts, because there's some things in the receipt it's going to ask you for, and it's very clear here. It's very clear here, and it tells you exactly where to get the information from. So the store number's at the top, the date you visited, the time, and your transaction number at the bottom. So you just enter this information here, and you fill out the questions. And when you fill out the questions, you're then entered in with a chance to win £1,000 per the Asda receipt. And that's literally it. And this is a series, and this whole Finance with Lizzie is about helping you save money, and make your money work harder. Because I mean, you've worked for that money going to work or for your business or whatever it means. So it's only fair if you're able to make your money work a bit harder for you too, the same way you work for your money. So yeah, that's it. There's about 15 or so questions, or maybe even 10. Can't remember off the top of my head, sorry. I did this a few days ago, and that's it. And the reason this actually came as a topic for me was because I was wondering, okay, what topic should I do next? And then God just told me that, why don't you do receipts? And I was like, receipts? And then I remembered seeing this receipt thing a few weeks before, and I was like, oh yeah, that's a good one, God. So yeah, just uploaded this video and the one before on receipts, just to remind you all that next time someone asks you, would you like your receipt? You might want to say yes instead of no. So anyway, this is as the receipts for you today. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you and God bless.